Yeah. Sure. Put your thumb on the teat and pull straight down the teat with your thumb. There you go. Just say. She says very good. There you go. Whoa! You got that.
Sometimes you.
How was that? It didn't like me.
Not at all. Yeah, very good.
Right. Yeah.
This for mostly, I mean, other than just, you know, milk, obviously,
milk?
but
Only datta, or you make cheese? Or
Cheese?
Make,
Yeah.
cheese,
Qibe?
Sugar.
qibe,
Qibe?
qibe.
Is it qibe?
Is that? Yeah.
What do you make? Only for drinking? Only?
No.
Cheese?
Yeah. Cook.
Cooking?
Very hot.
Yeah?
Sugar.
And then drink?
Yeah.
And Layla?
In Mursi, like
Yeah, but Layla, you don't make, what's it called? Cheese?
urgo.
Urgo? So this is gesho and bickle, which is, the gesho is the hops, the leaves, and the ground corn, and they mix it all together and they leave it here, and then they'll
This sits for days.
Sinkan, how many days like this?
Today.
Today?
No, that's this one.
Yeah?
This after hot. Cold.
Oh, so they
Like
cook
this.
it, and then once it's cold, they put it in the big drums, and then how many days? Sinkan?
That's silk and no exhaust.
5 days.
5 days.
They'll put it in the big drums, and then they'll put it in these pots that you see here, and they boil it up. Let's see if I can get over. They put these
Yeah.
like this in the top, and then they put the pipe, and they run cold water on it, and they boil it up and distill it here at home.
Pretty good.
See,
An impressive operation.
she's saying I know. And she's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
7.
7?
Seven.
6,
One of them's not for
7,
that.
8. Oh,
And the telephone.
okay. So one's not working.
Yeah, one is not working.
Yeah.
7.
So they have 7 that they run, and then they'll fill these jerry cans and take it down to the market and sell. They make CDs. Yeah.
Look.
Ah.
Ben,
Ben, check it out in here.
come on.
Okay.
This is water. What?
After this water.
Yeah. Are you cooking?
Yeah.
And then you let it cool. So it's cooling down here. And then they'll put it out like this.
Yeah.
50 in
Ooh.
Bakatema.
Yeah.
Wow.
50 burr a liter. which
50 burr,
is,
1 liter.
1 liter.
like $2.
Yeah.
$1.
Always.
It's kept separate because of the fire risk. The fumes can also make you
Probably very
blind.
drunk. Right.
Dangerous.
So is that their main mode of income then? Producing
Currently, I think, yeah. Currently, only for money, only this.
this? For work? This?
Your
Work?
Mekina?
Yeah.
Mekina broken.
Yeah.
So just only Areki.
Areki.
Ish. So you can taste some of her Areki.
Okay. So now she's pouring her homemade araki.
Yeah.
This is homemade araki. This is like
It's a distilled corn liquor.
distilled corn liquor.
This is probably
And-
a bit like moonshine.
Yeah, it's like moonshine.
Finished.
Ben says he only wants half. That's good. So
Almost a full glass.
that's okay. You're fine.
Almost a
Yeah, I'll drink it. If
This
you
is moonshine. This is basically
This is moonshine. Yeah.
moonshine.
Yeah.
So the brim, this is completely full.
Yeah.
Wurst. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ben.
Oh.
Araki.
Not good.
Yeah, it's good.
The best stuff there is, but not
It
good.
helps the stomach.
Woo!
Oi. I like that.
That bird inside that. Yeah.
She loves you, this one. How's her name?
This one, Mamachu. Mamachu. Anji.
Nancy.
Caramella.
Oh, they have chocolate. Chocolate. Chocolates. Yeah? Everyone's having chocolate, huh?
Man.
Drumming. What is it in America?
Show them the, you know the drum we saw in Addis with the thing? Like this.
This one.
Kabaro? Enter. Ale?
Thank you so much.
What?
Thank you. Thanks.
Maybe 6 o'clock. Yeah. Maybe 6 o'clock.
Say bye-bye.
So, 7
Bye-bye, kids.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
After lunch.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Ciao.
Ciao, man. Ciao. Thank you. How to say ganalo?
Ciao, ciao.
And
They're really, really nice.
as he says, tomorrow the goat's up on the side.
Yeah, they're busy eating.
Salam Nacho.
Salam. Salam.
Salam. Dakame.
Nacho. Hello.
Salam Nacho.
Salam. It's video. Say hello. Camera, video. Say hello. You want to see? Say hello.
Hello. Come on. Hello. Come on, boys.
I am red. Say hello.
Motorbike.
Hey man.
Motorbike.
No, we're good. Salam, man.
You fix up?
Salam. Wait. Oh my God. Yeah, we're on motorcycles now. Yeah. Hey man.
My name is Amanul.
Emmanuel.
Hey Emmanuel. Hey man, salam. Hey man.
How are you, Emmanuel?
How do you know this one?
This was the boy I said that I know from last time.
Ah.
He's a good friend of mine. He came with me and Uli Koro.
Alright, cool.
Let's go.
Where are we going? Where are you taking
You
us?
see in Jinka Market.
Yeah, Jinka Market. Alright.
Come, Billy.
Ciao.
How is Canada?
England. Good, good. Jody is from America.
Yeah.
I'm buzzing it.
It's his first time in Ethiopia.
Yeah.
من market. Mamu Shalla? Yeah. Inga? Okay. Negib. Negib. وبصوص ثان زي والكوريفه maybe borde yellow. No problem. For sleeping, for eating, for borde yellow. Borde yellow.
No problem.
Dingit bahala sambosa, Konjo. I like me and him went for sambosa here.
Sambosa. Samosa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Almost every night.
Really?
Yeah.
Good.
Jinka Sambosa Konjo? Yeah, he can eat like 100.
Yeah.
You don't like? Ay, tapatam. Lemon. Finish. Too much?
I don't want.
You don't like?
Yeah. Problem. My teacher stay.
Oh. Lemon.
I like the zeyt good one.
Oh, yes. Too much oil in there. Too much oil. What is that? Konjo. You good? He won't let me. Won't let me leave him.
Salam. Salam no. How are you? Good.
Here we go. There's a bit of a market up there, but I want to just check if my friend is
Salam no.
Yeah.
What is it?
Ulo.
What is?
Olo.
It's
Chickpeas?
Chickpeas.
Chickpeas.
And other beans. Konjo.
Ula. Giza.
Alright.
Alright.
Dagu brother.
Hmm?
Or Dagu brother.
Jago brother?
Yeah.
Yes, salam no.
Salam.
And then no.
This one.
Salam no.
This one.
Cardamom.
Yes.
That's these things. This is fresh.
Go that way? No, this one.
This is fresh and they dry them out. Kororima.
Cardamom.
You want to here put this one?
No. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, look at that guy.
That cow's got the horn.
He's got places to go.
But they will, you see the lady there? She's putting straps on it and they'll just carry all of that on their back.
Cigarilla.
Vamos! Laga mío! Asini! Apo! Laga Asini! Laga
Hey man. Jody. Hey man.
This is Jody. Wadinya, Jody. Mamush.
Hamush.
Mamush.
Pleasure to meet you, man. Pleasure.